Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find personal hotspot button. So by tapping on it once, you can switch personal hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. Here you can change its AP band. You can make it visible or invisible to other devices. You can enable Wi-Fi 6 hotspot feature. You can also manage connections, like you can add devices to block list. You can set up maximum allowed connections. You can set up data restriction. And you can also set your hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected for 10 minutes to save battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.